Texas Roadhouse here in the Philippines. Anyway, ang in-order ko is steak salad, or I used to order this one in Texas Roadhouse in the US. So this is what it looked like. Ganyan siya. I think it's good for 2 person. Try natin. Anong pagkakaiba. Kain tayo. It's good. Pero palagi tayo may comment. Hindi masyadong malamig yung vegetables niya. But the flavor is good.